Tangzong is a technique for softer bread and rolls. In the past, I have made a recipe for this sourdough Tangzong milk bread, which is a very soft, fluffy, and delicious bread. And today, I'm giving you my recipe of my favorite dinner rolls. The softest and delicious rolls we eat at home for our Thanksgiving dinner. To have fresh rolls for dinner, I start one night before. Make the Tangzong by combining 250 grams or 1 cup of water with 65 grams or half a cup of red flour in a pot at medium heat. Stir the water and flour constantly until the Tangzong thickens for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, remove the Tangzong from the heat and place it in a jar to cool. In the end, I checked the weight of the Tangzong, and the final weight was 275 grams, which means that 16% of the water evaporated in the process. Let the Tangzong cool and cover it with a lid and place it in the fridge to rest overnight. Additionally, prepare a stiff starter, combining 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of water with 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of sourdough starter. Mix well with a silicone spatula until the sourdough starter dissolves in the water. Then, add 65 grams or half a cup of bread flour. Mix well with a spatula. Use your hands to incorporate all the ingredients. Knead the dough on your working table for about 2 to 3 minutes. Form a ball of dough and place it back in the bowl. Cover it with a lid and let it rest overnight at room temperature. The next morning, pour 190 grams or 3/4 cups of milk into the bowl of a stand mixer and add all of the Tangzong and stiff starter that you prepared the night before. Use the hook attachment and start mixing all the ingredients. Add a mix of 180 grams or 3/4 of a cup of bread flour and 270 grams or 2 1/8 cups of all-purpose flour. Add the mix of flour little by little as the dough is being mixed. When all the ingredients in the dough are well combined, cover the dough and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Make sure to let the dough rest so the dough develops gluten and strength before adding the rest of the ingredients. After 15 minutes, start kneading the dough again and add 80 grams or 1/3 of a cup of butter at room temperature. Add 45 grams of sugar or 4 tablespoons of sugar and 9 grams or half a tablespoon of salt. Keep kneading the dough for about 20 minutes until the dough pulls off the walls of the bowl. At this point, take the dough out of the bowl and start kneading it by hand, since the dough is not yet ready. To knead it, take it with both hands, stretch and fold it. Then, grab the dough from a different angle and stretch and fold it again. This way, you're stretching and folding the dough from all sides. Knead for about 5 to 10 minutes or until your dough has a good consistency and is shiny and elastic. Then, place the dough in a greased bowl, stretch it again, and form a ball. Cover with plastic wrap and let it proof in a warm place. I am using my dough proofer to proof my dough at 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius for about 4 hours or until the dough doubles in size. After 4 hours or once your dough has doubled in size, divide it in 12 equal pieces. use a scale to get equal pieces. To shape the rolls, stretch the dough first and form a ball. Flour your hand and shape the dough with circular movements on the table to create a ball. Make sure to add enough tension to the dough and place the rolls in a 9 by 13 inch or 22 by 33 centimeter baking pan lined with parchment paper. Cover the rolls with a greased plastic wrap and let them proof in a warm place for 3 to 4 hours or until they double in size. When your rolls are ready to bake, brush them with egg wash, combining 1 egg with a splash of milk. Brush all the rolls well. Place the roll in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes or until they are golden brown. When your rolls are ready, take them out of the oven and brush them with melted butter. You can add some flaky salt or spices on top, but I like these rolls just as they are. Place them on a cooling rack and wait at least 10 minutes before enjoying them. These rolls are extra soft, pillowy, and fluffy. Perfect for any dinner. I am sure you will love the texture, flavor, and softness. I really hope you can make these rolls. These are so soft. Look at this. They are super soft and they are so delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. This will be perfect for your Thanksgiving dinner, also Christmas dinner, New Year's Eve dinner, for any dinner. Please like and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new recipe every week. Thank you for watching.